Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is serenity. Serenity comes within your happiness while you stay in your safe bubble, doing the things you love to do, not trying to fit into the world's puzzle. You are your own unique puzzle where you're creating a beautiful picture for the rest of the world, not to enjoy, but they're going to mimic and they say, wow, this is what I thought was impossible. Let me place my pieces in this type of form, create this picture so I too can enjoy life. We're not in survival anymore. We're in living. We're in luxury. We're in enjoying life. This is a new phase through love, because there's no weapon formed against you in the universe that is a formidable opponent against love. Your biggest adversary, your greatest adversary will look at you and say, wow, I keep trying to hurt them and discourage them, but it keeps showing me love. For some reason, I just want to make sure they prosper, and I'm going to help them. I release, and I have my inner work, and I know peace. That means we forgive, we learn forgiveness, we let go of guilt, anger, resentment. We feel as though some people are smart enough where they know what they're doing to anger us. They may not. Everyone is a child in their spirit. And a lot of times, the most innocent child does not know the damage that they're doing. But even if they do know, it is no longer our place to break our serenity, to let them know and fix them and say, listen, you're messing with the wrong one. I'm going to do this. No. Allow the person be that child that doesn't know well. Be the example of what they should be and how they should treat you. And don't feed into the negative, because that brings trials, tribulations, and lessons. Just like the rules of the universe, we are magnets. We want to show nothing but love, prosperity, inspiration, and prosperity and understanding to every being. Therefore, only blessings will come into our life, breakthroughs, and excel us to the next level. And we don't have to deal with the small battles. That's up to Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. They'll take care of that person. I have a general view of life, and I welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear and have wisdom to let the universe do its thing and do its work. You're in a great place and you're at the right time. Look fear in its eyes. Guarantee it's going to run away in fear, even of itself. And then you continue to live your luxurious life and bring in all the prosperity and great ideas and manifestations, because you have a lot of things in your mind and you have a lot of work to do down here to make sure that your dreams become reality, which you are going to do. Love one another, be kind to one another. Please be kind and loving to yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. I love you.